Excel is not just an ordinary app. Most of the time, we use it as a calculator. Even the simplest to the complicated. Yes, that's why I call it modern calculator. Here, I want to talk about formulas and functions, how to use them, and simplify the most used but complicated ones. Here I have a sample payment for the contractors. First, let me use a very basic functions. It is called mathematical functions. Let's roll up the two numbers. In mathematics, we use plus. Every function in Excel starts with equal. I select the first number, then use plus from keyboard. And with arrow keys can easily switch to the other cells. Now select the second one and press on enter. As you see, I easily rolled up خونمون and Pemox payments. Here easily, instead of plus, we can use other simple functions like minus, divide and multiply. It is possible to use a mixture. I use parentheses and divide to مرزنامه payment. So we can use this easy formula as a calculator in Excel. Let's go a step up and use sum function instead of plus. As you know, we always start a formula with equal. Here, type sum. The preferred sum function are listed here. Select sum. You can see a guidance has appeared. It is saying select number 1, then comma, and select number 2. And if you have other numbers, select them in this way. Select number 1, then comma, and select number 2, then comma, and select number 3, and press on enter. Instead of selecting numbers one by one, we can select their range. Let's see what is the minimum payment of this range. It is 1,530. In the same way, we can use max function to detect the maximum of the range. It is 8,900 and it is for مرزنامه. If I go to formulas and insert function, we can see all predefined functions here. If you don't know which function to use, simply type your opinion in search for a function section. I want to see the average payment, so type average here and go. So all the average functions are listed here. Double click on average. A window pops up. It says select number 1. I want to see the average of this range, so select the range and OK. That's it. Or instead of selecting average from function section, we can easily type average and select it among predefined and select the range. Or even go to AutoSum and select average. Change the range and OK. Now let's go to the third step of formulas, which is a little bit complicated ones. If you're interested in project management and improving your soft skills, everything you can do is to subscribe us, like and select the bell to not to miss other lessons. I want to count how many payments I have this month. So type count and select range and enter. This is 7. Now let's change the range. Instead of selecting payment range, which is numbers, select contractors. Double click on the formula cell. The ranges appeared in blue color. When these arrows appear, select it and drag to the contractors. It is showing nothing. It is because count function just counts numbers. Instead of count, we must use count A. It is showing 7. Let's use if function. Here I can see the guidance, but let's suppose we are new in Excel function. Don't know what does it mean. Here, select this formula icon in Formula tab. In this window, first it describes the if function, checks whether a condition is met, and returns one value if true, and another value if false. The first parameter is logical test. The logical test is any value or expression that can be evaluated to true or false. Let me say, if the payment is more than 4,000, show me high. So I type high in if true value. Otherwise, show me less. Okay, we filled all parameters. And as you see, the formula is inserted in its true way in Excel. Press on OK. It is high. That's right, it is more than 4,000. And expand the formula to the other cells by double-clicking on the corner of the formulated cell. Then it turns to plus. We have learned 3 difficulties in formulas in Excel. We can use other formulas, mix them, and get unique ones. You can check out my other lessons and be the master of complicated formulas. If you like this video, you can hit the like and subscribe buttons to be the part of our family.